The State of Crypto is presented by Tron, connecting the world to the power of cryptocurrency.
All right, joining us now is CoinDesk Global Policy and Regulation Managing Editor Nick Day, who is also the editor of CoinDesk's The State of Crypto newsletter. Good morning, Nick.
Good morning.
All right, so yes, we're learning that there is an arrest warrant out for Do Kwon as well as 5 others. What do we know so far?
Honestly, not much more than that. We have a little bit of information from the South Korean Prosecutors Office. Our CoinDesk Korea colleagues were able to confirm that there is a arrest warrant out there. Do Kwon is expected to be in Singapore right now, as you were mentioning earlier. He relocated there, although Terraform Labs, his company, had also relocated to Singapore from South Korea well before all of this happened. So, not necessarily anything especially malicious in that. But Kwon did say that his family is also now living in Singapore with him. So presumably South Korean authorities are going to be looking to Singapore to arrest and extradite him, assuming Kwon doesn't voluntarily return to South Korea on his own.
Nick, what are the chances, do you think, that he's actually going to do time? I mean, that's the big question here.
I think it depends on how South Korea approaches it. So it looks like they're bringing charges under a Capital Markets Act. I'm not sure if that's a criminal or civil statute, but if prosecutors see that believe that there has been enough harm and damage to other people because of the collapse of Luna, he could do time. It seems more likely that this is going to be some kind of a fine and civil penalty type jurisdiction, just based on the fact that this is largely a financial thing. So, we've seen people accused of financial crimes go to jail, but by and large, I think the vast majority of prosecutions we've seen brought have resulted in, more civil penalties than that, being barred from ever engaging in, public offerings or things like that.